Hi, I'm Michael, your handyman, and I'm back for another quick segment. On today's segment, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be fixing a door that was damaged from a break-in. Let's show you that now. Now for this repair, what we're going to do is we've already marked out, we have pressure treated lumber. We've already marked out our spots to cut out. We're going to cut this out and replace it. We're going to do that with a multi-purpose tool. Let's get that started now. Okay, let's get started. Okay, as you can see, we cut out our bad wood. Our bad wood has been removed. We have another piece that's cut out. We're going to put it in its place. We're going to pre-drill. We're going to also use 3-inch screws that's really going to bite into the wood. Let's get that done. We're going to pre-drill first. Now what we're going to do is we're going to use some wood glue. And we're gonna go straight down. It's gonna make our joint a lot more stronger. Let's get that done now. I'm gonna start. We're gonna be real liberal with it too. Go as such. Okay, let's get that installed. Now let's get a screw in there. Okay, we got our first screw in there. Now we're gonna drill again. Okay, let's get this last screw in. Okay. Now we're putting the panel back on, or should I say the trim is going back on now, getting that back in place. Let's get that done. Okay, now what we're gonna do is mortise out a strike so the door can lock. We're gonna do that now. Okay, now we're gonna begin mortising it out for a lock. Gonna do that now. Okay, we got our bottom lock done. We mortised out our strike plate, as you see. Now we're gonna move up to the top. Let's get that done. Okay, we got our door secure. It locks. The top, the bottom is secure. Okay, now our door is secure and our homeowner is going to be able to lock their door and be safe and sound as they are able to secure the door. We got all the jam fixed. Lock is secure. Let's go on to the next job. I'm Michael. Be safe, think safe. Talk to you later. On to the next job.